sounds of the game.
Make sure you give me room to work today, okay? Because I move quick, all right? Give me room.
We got that all day. Because I'm just going to jam them up.
Yeah, hell yeah.
And by that time, D-line going to get there. Yeah, we got to do like we did. I mean, this guy's wide open. We don't know what the hell we're doing, right? Shouldn't be that hard, man, right?
I don't know where. All I know is 37 hauled ass out there.
The game, I took it through to the outside.
Who's that, center?
Oh,
Yeah. He's soft, man. He's just soft every time.
I'm not switching no more. I want 55 rest of the game.
Take him.
25 was on the line. Dropped. Front side.
We've been talking about it all week. When they came down, Carter man motion down.
Okay, but the middle guy was going to be lost.
But I didn't have the middle guy.
Who had the middle guy?